Welcome, fellow explorers. Today, we're beginning an iconic Australian walk right here on the lively Harbour Boardwalk beneath the grinning face of Luna Park. This isn't just a walk. It's a journey through the heart of Sydney's breathtaking waterfront. Right off the bat, we're greeted by engineering majesty, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, standing sentinel over the water. Its steel arch is an unmistakable beacon of this city. As we move away from the amusement park bustle and head toward the ferry terminal, look at this view. The sun glints off the water, guiding our eye across the harbour to that other architectural masterpiece, the shimmering sails of the Sydney Opera House. It's a panorama that never gets old. We'll pause for a moment, looking out across the deep blue expanse of the harbour. Straight ahead of us, we overlook the historic renovated wharves that make up the unique waterside architecture of the Walsh Bay area. Dominating that skyline, standing as a testament to modern Sydney luxury, is the towering structure of the Crown Resort at Barangaroo, gleaming in the background. The view encapsulates everything this city is about, a perfect blend of maritime history and vertical ambition. From boardwalks to city streets, we're trading the salty air for solid ground, leaving the water's edge behind. Our destination lies just ahead, a convenient hub that connects all these beautiful sites, the railway station at Milsons Point. Join us as we navigate this perfect slice of Sydney. Let's start the walk.
für den Zug, nimm mal. I don't know if that's gonna pop your head in.
I just booked one to do the Perth. Yes.
That she got added, or you get excited, you get invited.
one.
Dora, do you remember Dora? Yeah, from How You Dora? Yeah, he's down there. He's got like a sunglasses company. Oh, yeah.
And that brings us to the end of our walk here at Milsons Point Station. I hope you enjoyed this stroll past some of Sydney's most famous landmarks, from the lights of Luna Park to the historic wharves and the shimmering Crown Resort. If you loved this visual tour, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more adventures around the harbour. Every bit of support helps us keep exploring. A quick bit of advice if you're planning to do this walk yourself. The final stretch up from the boardwalk is quite a climb. If you're not in the mood for the uphill hike next time, I'd suggest catching the ferry from the Milsons Point wharf back over to the city for a much more relaxing end to the day. Of course, there is one big exception: the Kirribilli Markets. If they are on, the walk up the hill is absolutely worth it for the food and local finds. I've included a link in the description with the 2026 market schedule so you can time your trip perfectly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.